Today we are studying the industrial preparation methods of alkanes. Now what is mean by preparation? Preparation means manufacture. Manufacture means you made that alkane from the different reagents. Now the first method of preparation, अपने को अल्केन तैयार करने हैं. So methods of preparation means you have to prepare the alkanes in the industry by different methods from using the different reagents. Now see, first we use here the unsaturated hydrocarbons. Now you very well understand what is unsaturated hydrocarbons. There are two types of hydrocarbons: saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. We know that the saturated hydrocarbons are called as the alkane, and in unsaturated hydrocarbons there are alkene and alkyne. But we have to prepare the saturated hydrocarbon, that are alkane, from which unsaturated hydrocarbon, alkene or alkyne. So let us first prepare the that is alkane from the alkene. You know that alkene have carbon-carbon double bond in their molecule. At least one carbon-carbon double bond is there. So let us take the simplest alkene, ethene here. Ethene is the first alkene, simplest alkene. What is the molecular formula of ethene? C2H4. And there is the double bond between the two carbon atoms. So this is the ethene, CH2 double bond CH2. Now in ethene just there is the addition of hydrogen. So it is also called as the hydrogenation reaction. Addition of hydrogen is called as the hydrogenation. But it requires the catalyst. Nickel, platinum, palladium, such metals are used for the catalyst. You know the catalyst? What is catalyst? Which increases the rate of the reaction, which enhance the rate of the reaction. Due to catalyst, the reaction goes faster. If we not use the catalyst, very slowly that reaction is carried out. So for faster reaction, catalyst in Marathi it is called as the utprerak. So that is used. Now here the catalyst is nickel, or we can use the platinum or palladium metals also. Now now see here, these two hydrogen atoms there in the hydrogen molecule. So just add one hydrogen in this carbon and one hydrogen in this carbon. Now due to that the double bond is converted into the single bond because the valency of carbon is 4 only. Now see how actually happened. What is the mechanism? I write this H2 in this way. See here, this is the H2, this and this is same. See here how the reaction is actually carried out. Now one hydrogen with the bond attack on this first carbon. Okay. Now what happened here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and this attach here. 5 bonds are there. That is not correct. So one bond must be shipped on this carbon. There is no negative bond because one bond means one negative charge. That negative charge take this H plus because this goes with the bond. And here it remains as the proton H plus. So this C minus, CH2 minus attract this H and there is again CS3 to that. Now see this CH2, now this is one CS3. Now this bond gets shipped, so only single bond is there and this also becomes CS3. Now this is the nothing but the alkane because there is carbon-carbon single bond, and this is the ethane as it contains 2 carbon atoms. So we obtain ethane. We are seeing the preparation methods. We have to yield ethane to produce ethane or alkane. So alkane is obtained. Now this is the method of preparation. Again we can prepare any alkane by taking the corresponding number of alkenes. If we take the alkenes having 3 carbon atoms, we obtain the alkene having 3 carbon atoms. If we take the alkene of having 4 carbon atoms, we obtain the alkene of 4 carbon atoms. Now see how here what is happening. Now this hydrogen is added between such carbon which have double bond. This carbon have no any matter about that. Remember that. The hydrogen atoms are only and only added between the carbon atoms having double bond between them. So one hydrogen is added here, one hydrogen is added. Now this is the propene. There are the 3 carbon atoms and this is the structure of the propene. Alkene is there. So add this hydrogen between these 2 carbon in the same manner. Suppose this is the H2. I write this H2 here. This attack on this carbon. Any carbon you can attack from this or this, but not this, because this shift on in this way. Now there is the negative charge and this another hydrogen attached to that. Now this is as it is CH3. Okay. Then this single bond is there. Now here this attaches, so here becomes CH2. Again single bond, and this also CH3. Now there are the single bond in all the carbon atoms, so they are the alkane. And the name of this alkane is propane because they contain 3 carbon atoms. So in this way we obtain alkane from alkene. Now how alkanes are obtained from alkyne? Let us see that how the alkanes are obtained from alkynes. Alkynes have carbon-carbon triple bond in their molecule. Now this is the first alkyne. The name of this alkyne is ethyne. Yne suffix is there. But in market commercially, this ethyne is also called as acetylene. Though there is Ene, but that is not alkene, that is the alkyne. Ylene. Commonly Ylene is the suffix in alkyne. But this is famous by the name acetylene, but it is the IUPAC name is ethyne. So as there is triple bond, double bond require only one hydrogen molecule, that means 2 atoms of hydrogen. But triple bond require 2 molecules, 2 into 2, that is the 4 hydrogen atoms. Because we have to do the single bond between these 2 carbon atoms. Now I write here directly, but this is not such directly form. Now I give out of the 4 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen to this carbon and 2 hydrogen to this carbon. Triple bond is converted into single bond. But actually such directly reaction is not. Now how the reaction is there? See how the reaction is carried out. First take this acetylene molecule and add only 1 molecule of hydrogen. Suppose here is the nickel platinum. Now this hydrogen add in this way, this attack on this goes here and there is formation now CH2 double bond. 1 bond remains as that is double bond remains because only 1 bond is there. So it becomes CH2 double bond CH2. First alkene is obtained. Then that alkene again adds 1 of the hydrogen because we take here 2 hydrogen molecules. 1 plus 1, 2 hydrogen molecules. Now this is also in this way. HH, this attack on this carbon, this goes here. There is again 3 carbon atom and it converted into the single bond. CH3 single bond CH3. So in 2 steps this reaction actually carried out, not in a 1 step. Remember that. And in this way alkynes are converted into alkane. This ethyne is converted into the ethane. So this is also the method of preparation of that is alkane. Now let us see the second method of preparation of alkane from alkyl halides. Now remember in 14th chapter you know the alkyl halides. Now alkyl halides are nothing but the general formula of alkyl halides are RX. Remember that. R is the alkyl group. Alkyl group means 1 hydrogen less than that of the alkane. Suppose methane is there. Methane have formula CH4. So methyl have formula CH3. Ethane have formula C2H6. Ethyl have formula C2H5. Only 1 hydrogen is less in the alkyl group. R means alkyl group and X means any halogen. Chlorine, bromine, fluorine, iodine. X means. So I take here the methyl iodide. CH3, that is the methyl group, and iodine is the halogen. So this is the methyl iodide. And when we add HCl on zinc dust, zinc metal, when we add HCl hydrochloric acid, there is removal or formation of the nascent hydrogen. Nascent means navajat. Now that hydrogen is not written as H2, but it written as twice in bracket H. Why? Because it is the atomic hydrogen, not molecular hydrogen. So 2 atoms of hydrogen are removed from when we HCl add on zinc. Now this hydrogen reacts with this alkyl halide. Now this CH3 and one of the hydrogen atom forms the alkane methane. Now what remain? Iodine and one of the hydrogen atom will form the hydrogen iodide. Now this is alkane. So we are seeing the methods of preparation of alkane. Alkane is obtained. Now this is the methane. Similarly, you can prepare any alkane by taking the alkyl halides containing the how many number of alkane we have to obtain. Now here, now see there. This is ethyl bromide. Why this is ethyl bromide? Ethane, you know, this is the ethane. One hydrogen atom of ethane is replaced by now CH3, CH2. Now this Br is there. So it becomes ethyl bromide. Its name is ethyl bromide. Generally it is called as the alkyl halide. Halide means halogen. Alkyl group and methyl, butyl, propyl in this way ethyl. So this is the ethyl bromide. And similarly with nascent hydrogen, one hydrogen atom given to this alkyl group and one hydrogen atom is given to this bromine. So it becomes CH3 dash CH3 plus HBr. This is C2H6, that is the ethane. In this way alkane is obtained. Now next method for the preparation of alkane is the Wirth synthesis. Wirth is the name of the scientist. And in this method we use the reactive metal sodium. Now take the 2 molecules of alkyl halide. Now they see here. This is methyl bromide. Okay. Again I take here twice sodium metal, 2 atoms of the sodium, and plus I write this only in opposite direction. This is also methyl bromide. Nothing but this is also the methyl bromide. Why I write in this way? Just for convenience, we have to remove this twice NaBr as the byproduct, twice NaBr, and only attach this CH3 group to this CH3 group. See here, CH3 dash CH3, that is the ethane. Very simple method of preparation of alkane. Ethane we obtain here ethane. Now next one, that is the this is ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide, because 2 carbon atoms are there. This is ethyl bromide. This is also ethyl bromide. Another molecule, and take here twice Na. Now these are eliminated as twice NaBr, and only just attach CH3CH2 dash CH2 CH3. Write the CH2 and then CH3. CH3 is always at the end position. So this becomes CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. 4 carbon atom containing alkane. C4H10. That is the butane. Now we obtain the butane by this method. But in this method, in the Wirth synthesis, dry ether is used as the solvent. Compulsory there. Dry ether. That means there is no water in the ether. Ether is in the liquid form, but no there is water. Dry ether. And by this method, we can prepare different alkane also by the Wirth synthesis. Now this is our that is the 3 methods we have seen today of preparation of alkanes.